Good day, ladies and gentlemen. This is Azar and Arez. I'm working on a 2005 Volvo XC70. The customer complained that the car does not accelerate, that the jar does not engage. So he was driving and all of a sudden noticed that the jar was not engaging and stuff like that, and he couldn't accelerate. Before I go scan, let me show you some of the observation I noticed. And then on the dashboard you will say, I think, engine performance, low or below performance, something like that. That would display here. I don't know if there's a way I can go through those.
Yeah, it's a big story, really. That story is a big story.
I don't know if there's a way I can go through.
For now, let us thank you for being a part of the.
I can go through that, but let me start the car. Now look at the rev. By the time I try to rev, it doesn't actually won't get to 2. See, it doesn't actually go above 2. And you notice that the car started vibrating seriously. You can notice the car is vibrating. There used to be, I think, a reduced performance error here. So what I'll do, let me scan the car, then from there we'll know what to do. So please stay tuned and watch. So Europe, go to Volvo. Okay, just on the ignition. Done automatic selection. Let's see what we have. The new control motor has 5 error codes. So let's see what we have. Here we have ECM-680, ECU box, cooling fan, signal missing, ECM-293B rear heated oxygen sensor, ECM-244 front heated oxygen sensor. Then we have fuel pressure 40 signal and throttle valve signal too high. So we are going to concentrate on ECM-2900 and ECM-295C. I've run another scan and I've done a live stream. From the live stream you can see that the fuel pump duty cycle is less than 1 and it ought to be 30%. And the nominal pressure is 400. It's supposed to rise up to like 500 and the maximum of 700. So we are going to check the fuel pump. Does the fuel pump? Please help me open the fuel pump. So we are going to check the fuel pump and the PEM model here is also here. We'll check them and we'll see what the problem is. Based on the code and the performance of the fuel, we have replaced the fuel pump with this This is the old fuel pump. You have it replaced. And secondly, the throttle body, you have it clean. So we are coupling back the throttle body for the car. So after that, I will check the performance and see what's important. And now we have finished coupling the car, the injector mount, and we have started it, and the rev is up. I feel rev up. Huh? I feel rev up. So you can see the rev is going up. So, but we will still, I will still scan for error codes. But we'll take it out to test drive first and see performance. So we are going to scan and see if those old error codes will either delete them if they are still there. These codes will definitely be because of the things we've disconnected in trying to clean the throttle body. So I will erase those error codes. Just do a quick erase. Let me do a quick erase. Go to each of the no cost.